Assalamu alaikum dear students and welcome back. Today we are together to learn how you can prepare for your monthly exams and your upcoming terminal exams through Google Classroom. This video will guide you how to prepare for your monthly exams and your terminal exams through the material that is uploaded in Google Classroom. Your all subject teachers, they have shared a revision pack with you to learn through those topics for your monthly exams. Now when you will click on your class, there is one link that is on the main page of your class. Just click on that link. Now this page will show you a brief view of that how many assignments are missing and how many work and tasks that you have to complete before your exams. You have to complete all the missing tasks so that you can get the full marks in your upcoming results. This page is giving you idea of all the subjects of last 2 months, that what you have done and how many marks you have gained. Okay, now you will click on your classwork. Then there are the revision packs you can view. The teachers, they have shared the revision packs. You will learn through your revision packs. You will learn the material. Okay. And one more thing you can do, you can learn through your previous assignments. All the assignments and quiz that you have submitted, you can learn through them. How you will learn through them? Like you will click on your assignments. This assignment is already submitted by the student. Okay, you will click on your submitted assignment and you can view the answers and the solved worksheets that you have submitted to the teacher. You will prepare all these worksheets. You will go through all these worksheets and videos related to the topic and the portion that you have assigned for your particular subject. Okay, so this is one way of preparing for your monthly exam through your previous assignments. And you can also learn through your previous quiz. Suppose there is one quiz. You have already submitted the quiz. You will click on the assignment. Right there is the quiz copy. The copy is there already. A solved copy of the quiz is there showing the correct answers. Okay. So through these quiz and assignments and revision pack, you will prepare for your monthly exams. All the teachers, they are having best wishes for you to get full marks, and we all are here to guide you further. Now your first task should be the completion of your assignments. If you are having any pending assignment of any subject, then please complete them first. Go through all the quiz and assignments and learn through your revision pack as well. Okay, wish you best of luck for your monthly exams and terminal exams. Stay safe and stay happy. Allah Hafiz.